Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost and today I'm going to be doing the 500 lasso challenge on volcano like you guys told me to. I did a poll like a couple months ago actually about which islands you wanted me to do during this event. We might be doing all of them. I can't promise all of them, but we will at least be doing two, which is the two most voted, which was volcano, the most voted, and mountain, the most voted, the second most voted at the time. It may have changed, I haven't checked it, but I'm just gonna do what it was at the time. We already got our first event. I will be putting a counter up. It is a mammoth. This is my third mammoth. I don't really enjoy looking at the mammoth, or the donkey coats. It's really, oh, I didn't know that was black hair. I thought that was gray. Oops. It's you know, but that's okay because I will probably just get rid of them. But yeah, we're gonna do the first lap with me still here. If I see a meatball, then I'm gonna go and mine the meatball. Okay, that's just instinct for me. I will be doing like other islands in between, possibly. I don't really have time to like just stand here and wait for 5 hours for them to spawn. And I died, or I got hit because I ran into it, which is stupid. But yeah, anyways, so that's our first event, which is pretty cool to get it, like, literally second horse. I will have the counter, you already see it. I will have the Arabians, of course, the standard breds, and then both the donkeys, we're just going to count them as the same because I don't care for them, and I don't want to make that box too big and, like, in the way. And then we will have a, what are they called? The naturally died, so it'll just be ND. And then the IUHs, of course. I don't like necessarily want IUHs, like obviously I do if it completes my log, but I don't need any, and I'd just be happy with like 1 or 2 natural dies. Like I said, 1 or 2. If I get lucky 2, obviously, but I'm perfectly fine with just 1. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. I just kind of want the events. But like getting an IUH would be very cool. So yeah, hopefully we get some of the Arabians. Because I really like that coat, but also hopefully this isn't mountain's the other one that I need to do. Hopefully volcano is nice to me, and if it does choose to give me an IUH, it's a hair that I don't have. I basically don't have any of the hairs except for probably black, so. But yeah, that is the end of the first lap. We got a black percheron as the first spawn and a mammoth. What is this lap? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is my second IUH today. I was streaming earlier today and I caught, wait, oh my gosh. This is not scripted. I swear on my life, this is not scripted. What the flip? First freaking lap. First lap. Wait, I'm gonna turn up my sound effects so I can hear that. Sorry if it's a little too loud, I don't care. Ready? Oh my gosh, I got prismatic. What? The literal first lap. I love you, volcano. I literally love you. Oh my gosh, look at this girl. What is this lap? Literally, what is this lap?